Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, please hit that subscribe button below. We're almost to 700 guys. I'm almost to the 1K. But yeah, today I'm showing you how to make my clear lip gloss and how I make the consistency I like. But yeah, I already wiped down and disinfected my area, so make sure you do that. I am using this ABA Cosmetic Supplies Versagel. They use the same supplier as TKB, but yeah, I am trying them out. I will be doing a review on them coming up, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I am going to be putting in coconut oil and grapeseed oil. I'm actually making this for my wholesale pouch, so if you're interested in that, go ahead and check out my website. I will link it in the description box. But yeah, I just keep adding oil until I get the consistency I like. And just keep stirring it. Make sure you stir it well so it's not clumpy. It will clump up in the beginning, but once you stir it completely, it won't be clumpy. And the pouches I am selling, they are ready to go pouches. So pretty much I make the lip gloss ready for you just to add your pigment and your flavoring in. You don't even have to worry about getting oils and stuff. So yeah, it's nice. But yeah, see, this is still kind of sticky. It's not like a solid stream, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, I'm going to keep adding in oil until I get the consistency I like. So yeah guys, now that I'm done stirring it and getting it to the consistency that I like, you can go ahead and add in your flavoring. I usually do peppermint. I showed cake batter, but yeah, I usually do peppermint for clear just because it goes with it. And excuse my daughter. But yeah guys, so once you're done doing that, you can go ahead and fill your tubes. Use a pretty big syringe is what I use. If you want to see me fill up my tubes, then I will, but I'm not showing it in this because like I said before, it is for one of my pouches, so I am not flavoring it or filling anything. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and this next clip is just, you know, showing you the consistency of it. But yeah, it is super moisturizing, and I'm telling you, your customers will love it. But yeah, this is how it looks in a picture, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give me a fat thumbs up. It helps me out, and we are almost to 700 subscribers guys. I will be doing a giveaway once my Instagram hits 2K and once I hit 1K on YouTube. So yeah guys, thanks for watching.